Hello everyone, welcome back to my JavaScript bootcamp. So today we are going to talk about some prerequisites before we start the bootcamp. So before we start the bootcamp, we need to install some softwares and some scripts in our local machine to run the JavaScript. So first of all, before we start doing coding, we need to install a IDE in our my local machine. So I suggest for myself and also you to install the VS Code. It is totally free and it is one of the most popular and best IDE in the market currently right now. As you can see, there are multiple languages we can code in the VS Code. Since I have already downloaded it and install it on my machine, that's why I'm not downloading it. All you need to do in to download this VS Code, you need to select your machine version, such as as I am using Mac OS, that's why it is showing me for Mac. Then what you need to do, you need to go for the Node.js and download the Node.js. Node.js is basically a V8 engine to run all the JavaScript. So run to code and to see the results of JavaScript. You need to first of all download and install the Node.js. Then we are good to go for coding. So I want to show some different default settings, or just to make some setting changes in the VS Code so that you can pass up with the bootcamp easily. So let's move to our VS Code. So when you open up your VS Code, it will give you this sort of interface. Then you can go to click on the settings, and if you want to change any theme on your VS Code, you can do it from color theme, and also you can change the file icons from the file icon theme. I will redirect you to the setting, and after coming to the setting, all you need to do is click on here. It will be mostly turned off by default, but for autosave you need to do it on focus, and rather on for multi-cursor just give it on control command. It is default on alter. Click turn it on the word wrap. And one more thing, you need to search on over here formatter. So format on save. So yeah, here, so you need to turn it on to follow up all the things, as to speed up your level to code. You need to make all of these small changes in your VS Code, so you will be easily able to follow up all the coding tests we are gonna do in the bootcamp, during all the bootcamp. And one more thing, whenever you can't find any sort of coding, any sort of setting over here in the VS Code, you can just write it on the search setting, and it will show you the results, and you will able to find it. Such as I searched for the format, so it showed me all of the things over here. So thanks to everyone again. Please stay tuned with my channel, and next videos will come soon. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.